What if I told you that for just $600, you could build a gaming PC that crushes GTA 6, Cyberpunk 2077, and Warzone without lag, without compromise, and without burning your wallet? Welcome to Tech and Finance Code, your hub for smart tech and smarter spending. In this video, we're revealing the ultimate budget gaming PC build, all under $600, that delivers smooth 1080p performance on even the most demanding day-to-day titles. Whether you're upgrading from a console or building your first rig, this setup brings elite-level gameplay on a budget. Let's dive in and unlock every frame for every dollar. Number 1. The heart of the build, AMD Ryzen 5 5500. Let's start with the CPU, the Ryzen 5 5500. This processor is an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers looking for solid performance. 6 cores, 12 threads, perfect for multitasking and gaming. Base clock of 3.6 GHz, boost up to 4.2 GHz, fast enough to handle modern games like GTA 6 and Cyberpunk 2077. Comes with a Wraith Stealth cooler, no extra cost for cooling. The Ryzen 5 5500 costs around $130, which is a great deal for a mid-range CPU with impressive performance. Why it's perfect? The Ryzen 5 5500 provides a great balance between price and performance. It delivers enough power to run all your games and multitask without breaking a sweat. Number 2. Graphics power, AMD Radeon RX 6600. Let's talk about the GPU, and we're going with the AMD Radeon RX 6600. This is a fantastic budget option, giving you next-gen graphics performance without spending over $200. 8GB GDDR6 VRAM. It can handle demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 at high settings without stuttering. Excellent 1080p performance. You'll get 60+ frames per second in Warzone, 100+ frames per second in Fortnite, and smooth gameplay in GTA 6 at 1080p high settings. RDNA 2 architecture. Efficient and future-proof for upcoming titles. The RX 6600 costs around $220, offering incredible value for the price and performance. Why it's perfect? The RX 6600 is a fantastic choice for 1080p gaming. It's one of the best performing cards in this price range, offering great bang for your buck. Number 3. Motherboard, B550M or A520M. For the motherboard, we'll need a compatible one to handle the Ryzen 5 5500 and RX 6600. B550M Pro 4 from ASRock or MSI A520MA Pro. Both of these motherboards have AM4 sockets, which support the Ryzen 5 5500. They offer Peripheral Component Interconnect Express 4.0 support, M.2 NVMe SSD slots, and DDR4 RAM support up to 3200 MHz. The B550M Pro 4, or MSI, a 520MA Pro motherboard is priced around $80 to $100. These are great budget-friendly options. Why it's perfect? These motherboards are cost-effective and feature enough Peripheral Component Interconnect Express slots and RAM slots for upgrades in the future. Number 4. RAM. 16GB, DDR4 3200 MHz. For RAM, we want at least 16GB to make sure that your system can run modern games and multitask smoothly. Go for 2 units of 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz kits from Corsair or Crucial. Dual-channel setup for better overall performance in gaming. 16GB of DDR4 RAM is priced around $50 to $70 for a good 3200 MHz kit. Why it's perfect? 16GB of RAM is the sweet spot for gaming in 2025. It provides fast enough speeds to handle high-end games and ensures smooth gameplay even with open applications. Number 5. Storage, 500GB NVMe SSD. When it comes to storage, you need speed, and SSD is the way to go. Here's what we suggest. 500GB NVMe SSD like Crucial P3 or WDSN570. Fast read speeds, which means quicker load times for games like Cyberpunk 2077 and GTA 6. A 500GB NVMe SSD costs around $45 to $55. Why it's perfect? SSDs are significantly faster than HDDs, providing faster game load times, system boot-ups, and a more responsive overall experience. 500GB is a sweet spot for this build. Number 6. Power supply. 550-watt, 80+ bronze PSU. You don't want your PC to die from a cheap power supply. A 550-watt PSU will be perfect for this build. Look for 80+ bronze certification for efficiency and reliability. Brands like EVGA, Corsair, or Thermaltake offer solid options. A 550-watt 80+ bronze PSU will typically cost around $40 to $60. Why it's perfect? A 550-watt PSU is sufficient for this build and leaves room for future upgrades without worrying about power issues. Number 7. Case. Budget Mid-Tower ATX. For the PC case, we're going with something budget-friendly but functional. Go for a mid-tower ATX case that supports good airflow and has enough space for your GPU. Look for options with mesh front panels to ensure good cooling. Popular models like Montech Fighter 600 or Cooler Master Q300L are solid choices. A budget mid-tower ATX case can range between $40 to $60. Why it's perfect? Good airflow is essential for keeping components cool, especially during extended gaming sessions. The budget cases we recommend still offer great build quality and modular options for future upgrades. We conclude the total build of the gaming machine. For the CPU, we're going with the Ryzen 5 5500, which is priced at around $130. It offers solid performance for gaming and multitasking. For the GPU, we've selected the RX 6600, priced at about $220. This graphics card will easily handle the latest games at 1080p high settings. The motherboard, whether it's the B550M or A520M, will cost you somewhere between $80 and $100. These boards are great for our Ryzen CPU, offering compatibility with all the essential features you'll need. Next, we've chosen 16 GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, which typically runs between $50 and $70. This is the sweet spot for gaming performance, giving you smooth multitasking and high-performance gaming. For storage, a 500 GB NVMe SSD will cost around $45 to $55. This fast storage will help load games quickly and keep your system running at peak speed. The PSU we recommend is a 550-watt 80+ bronze certified power supply, which is priced around $40 to $60. This will ensure your build has enough power and is energy efficient. Lastly, for the case, we suggest a mid-tower ATX model, priced between $40 and $60, offering enough space and airflow for all your components to stay cool. When you add everything up, this gaming PC build will cost you approximately $500 to $600, depending on the specific parts you choose. This setup gives you excellent performance for today's top games, all while staying within a budget-friendly price range. And there you have it, a $500 to $600 gaming PC that's ready to tackle GTA 6, Cyberpunk 2077, and Warzone at solid frame rates and high settings. If this video helped you plan your own build, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech and Finance Code for more tech tutorials, gaming setups, and budget PC builds. Have any questions about the build? Drop them in the comments below. Share this video with a friend who needs a budget-friendly gaming PC, and stay tuned for more tech insights.